Hello guys, welcome back again in another exciting video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? I hope everyone are doing good. So guys, I am here to talk about the spiritual benefits of Florida water that you don't know. I know that a lot of you must have come across today's Florida water. You must have heard about it, but you don't actually know that you can use it to change your life for good, for better. Like your life will change if things are not working for you, if people are not blessing you, if you don't find favor in the sight of other people, if your business is not moving, if no one is loving you, if you're always facing hatred on a daily basis, both from the people that you know and unknown people. Now, this remedy is for you. But before I go into detail to tell you how you can make use of these two ingredients, what I have here is Florida water and sulfur stone. So how will you make use of these two ingredients? You are to get this Florida water from the market. When you're getting it, do not price it. Please purchase it from any spiritual shop. And this sulfur stone, get it from any spiritual shop without even pricing. So when you come back to your home, take a little of this sulfur stone, blend it into a smooth powder, and then open this Florida water, add the sulfur powder inside the Florida water, and then read Psalm 35 in the water. As you read it, whatever you read out from that psalm, declare it into this particular Florida mixture. And then every morning, before you talk to anybody, before you go out to greet people, before you open your door, use it to wash your face. As you are washing your face, declaring your blessing to yourself, promotion, good luck, everything that you wishes to get, money, any amount of which you have in this world, start declaring it on this particular water while you are washing your face. You see, it's very easy to prepare. So go ahead and prepare it, and I'm sure by God's grace you shall surely testify. And if you are watching me, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so, and also turn on your notification bell when you subscribe. Always share this video to people. Let them know, people that are into bondage, people are into financial difficulties. Share this video to them. Like this video. Leave your comment in the comment section. And if you need to purchase for our products, we have spiritual products like Blessing Soap, Market Soap, Road Opener, Star Brighter, many things that you can as well use it to make your life so sweet, and make it to be very comfortable in life. So we sell those things, and they are all produced with natural things. Okay, so guys, that is the end of this video for today. See you on my next video. Please, after watching, like this video, share, and leave your comment on the comment section. See you on my next episode. Do have a lovely weekend. Bye.